Hey everyone, have you seen this? Whoa, look at that! Look at that! Wow, that's pretty sweet. I'm excited. Let's do a celebration video. All right, to celebrate, I just want to have fun, and I just want to draw and not think too much about putting a video together. I really just want to have fun with you guys. So I'm just gonna draw something that I enjoy, robots, namely Transformers. I've been really on an Energon universe binge lately, so I really love Transformers, as most of you know, and I really like the Void Rivals series. And I decided, you know what, I need to look into G.I. Joe as well. So I got the 4 standalone G.I. Joe books. I'm reading the 4th one now with Destro. And then, once financially I'm recuperated from buying all the comics, I'm gonna go and probably pick up some G.I. Joe books as well. But yeah, I just wanted to draw some fun Transformers stuff, and it feels like drawing Optimus doing his super famous jump spin over thing from Transformers the movie. And I'm an old person, so I mean Transformers the movie from 1986. I think that would be fun. But yeah, this is sort of like just also celebrating that I got to 100k, which is pretty amazing, especially since the last 2 years I couldn't really put in too much effort into YouTube videos and into the community. Sadly, I've been a bit absent. Obviously, not sadly, because I have a kid, so I love spending time with my kid. But yeah, this was also something that I enjoyed, hanging out with you guys and doing also live streams and also doing different videos for the community. So I do wanna get back to that, but I also wanna have fun, right? And I know that tutorials do best. Ooh, these legs are way too small. But sometimes I just feel like doing something for fun, and something that has no stakes or anything, and a drawing like this seems to be the best. And with that, I thought it would be really nice to do sort of an AMA, because an AMA is fun for me, and it can be fun for you guys as well. I mean, you find out maybe some more things. Ask me anything. Of course, it has to be reasonable questions, but I just love talking to you guys. So I feel like if you have questions that I didn't answer yet, I'll gladly try my best to do that. And obviously, I have questions of my own to you guys as well, because especially the ones who've been watching me for a while, like, what did you learn? How do you use my videos? How do you use my live streams? I have a couple of friends, well, I could call them friends at this point, that join for almost all my live streams, and that is very nice. Very helps me keeping the live streams going, knowing that, like, oh, I for sure have a couple of people who will join, and I don't have to worry about, oh, will there be enough people, because there's just a couple of old, not as in age, but just in acquaintances, that yeah, they will be there, and we will have a good time together, just shooting the shiznit, talking about some silly things while enjoying some drawings. So yeah, out of curiosity, what did my videos bring you, if you've been around for a longer time, or if you just found me? Hello, welcome. I do hope you like it here. This is me just drawing, having fun, trying to share some drawing knowledge every now and then, and just trying to spread the joy of drawing with everybody, just taking your ideas, putting them on paper, not being afraid of seeing just what happens. Speaking of not being afraid, Usually I'm quite afraid drawing Optimus, just because I like him so much and I want to make sure that I don't get him wrong. This time around I decided, you know what, let me just have fun, let me not worry about those things. So some of the details I'm making up, some of the details I'm looking at Mr. Daniel Warren Johnson from his run. I'm not sure actually if I think he stopped his run on Transformers. I'm not sure yet who took it over because I didn't buy the new volume yet. But yeah, I get some inspiration from there. So don't judge me too hard if details and bits and bobs on Mr. Optimus Prime don't quite add up. From this angle I find his head to be very difficult to draw. I'll just call it that. I can't do better than that. Now here's a thing that I should look up detail for this, but now I just do not have the, well, I don't want to say time, but I just want to keep on drawing. Like, I would like to see how actually the connection there is between a truck and its trailer, but we are far enough that this should be enough for now, since I'm not taking it super seriously. Nothing has to be exactly as it should be. There we go. I'm relatively happy for a sketch. I think it's perfectly fine. I want to do the weathering on Optimus now. Okay, and with that, let's just do some basic colors for this boy. Alright, I put together a set of markers for myself. Let's do the grays first. Optimus's grill, this little crotch area, leaving space for the yellows. I don't feel like doing a lot of rendering, so I think what's going to happen here is that they're going to be flat colors. So that is that. I think this was the red that I chose. Yeah, I like that. There's something interesting happening. Like you probably saw it if you saw many of my drawings, videos at least. But the more I try to make a nice tight drawing, the less I like the outcome. It just feels super constricted. And right now, because I'm just drawing loosely, I am just having a lot of fun and I don't care about how it comes out. I don't know if it's gonna come out good or not, but at least I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I need a nice lighter blue for that one. Alright, so this is gray. Well, let me just do this then, because we have one blue line here, one there, one blue line there, one blue line there, and the rest should be gray. Okay, now I want to see if I want to add any variation in the reds, and I feel like a little bit might. I said I didn't want to render, and I don't, but I feel like a couple of smudges here and there, and just dirtying and adding some variation will be nice. Yeah, to see this I just feel this makes it a little bit more organic. I don't need to follow the lights or anything, or a lighting setup. I just suggest some shadows, shading here and there, and I just use the darker blue as just bringing in some dents or changes in the surface. I did forget about the transformation part, and that's usually just adding a couple of lines like this that sort of suggest that this is not what he looked like originally. And I can go in maybe with lines as well, but I would rather wait for these to dry a little bit. I noticed now that I didn't color the gun. The gun is usually dark gray, sometimes even purple. I'll just do dark gray first with a highlight line going through it. And now, as I said, I'm just gonna draw a couple of these lines. There we go. I think what will help this is some white outlines, or white highlights, I mean to say. And this is, again, you don't need to follow, like I left these white areas already to give a suggestion of these highlights, and you don't need to follow necessarily physical rules with this, just have fun. For the windows, I will just try and suggest some reflections. Obviously this white will work better on darker colors, and you can even go in and play along with those little bit of dents and whatever you have on Optimus. And that's it. Thank you very much for joining me for this video, but for joining me for however many years, and for getting us together here, or 100,000 followers. It's crazy. Anyways, I don't want to talk too much at the end. Wanted to thank you. Please leave in the comment section below, like, how was this journey for you? Because it was very fun and interesting for me, and I'm very thankful that y'all came along. And at the end, a very special 100K. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep on sketching, and till the next time. Bye bye.